It's Mr. Money over bitches, money over bullshit, paper over pussy, both of them that I could get. Got the cow tech for niggas who on that bullshit, like bird doodle.
I be on some bullshit.
Paper in the stash, ballin', no coaches, shooter, no b-ball, revolver, no holster. Hoes on my dick bag, you know a nigga fresh G-fly. I stay throwing on fits, epilepsy. Whoever thought they was the shit, I bet I got them pissed off. Copped a couple 8-balls, you know I got them shits off. Know them niggas hating on me, fuck it, I'm the truth. They was ballin' and they fell off, nuts on the roof. Whack rappers start calling it a day, cause I've been off the chain so long they start calling me a straight. 2Ks, do you wanna play? Never put the gun away. Go hard or go home, fuck it, I'ma run away. Yo, tell them they can have that, cause I got this. Wow, that guy's fly, no cockpit. It's real round blocks where I'm from. Fuck jabs and hooks, you getting box time, box where I'm from. Hey, Big Nate, I'm in the booth. Caught some cases, I was playing with them hammers then. Fuck, I'm fooling, I be playing with them hammers still. Cause when it's beef, I be riding like a pair of wheels. Hard body, never been a soft nigga. Snub tuck, soon as they bug up, off niggas. Cash on demand, cash in my pants. Need cash in my hands, before I pass you a gram. Damn, the flyest motherfucker on land, I'm the truth. These lying motherfuckers can't stand me. School of hard knocks, motherfucker, I'm a graduate. Godson here, hailing all the way from Nazareth. I'm on my shit and I fly right past you. Lying like Mufasa, but I'm fly like Zazu. Loyal to my gang, I throw it up like bad food. All these bitches get from me is nuts, no cashews. Money over you and yours, you should know the dollar's rude. Drama pistols getting pulled out like a rotten tooth. Holla at your boy if you're shouting about paper. I'm putting hot slugs in the mouth of all haters. I might pull a caper. You the man with the money, then you